Hello students, welcome to Food and Textile Studies. The fourth lesson of Unit 3, which is about principles and methods of food preparation, will enable you to learn how to modify a basic cake recipe. This video will help you to modify the ingredients in a recipe to make it healthier. Apply the dietary guidelines. Today you will learn how to modify the vanilla cupcakes recipe to make it healthier. Let us take a closer look at the recipe in terms of ingredients and quantity. You will need 200 grams of soft margarine, 200 grams of caster sugar, 4 eggs, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of full cream milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Did you know? Although delicious, this recipe is rich in fat and cholesterol, rich in sugar, and lacks dietary fiber. Hence, it does not meet the dietary guidelines. For a healthier version of vanilla cupcakes, it is recommended to use less fat, less sugar, less cholesterol, and more dietary fiber. We will now have a look at the changes that can be made to the recipe to achieve this. For instance, to obtain less fat from margarine, instead of 200 grams of margarine, use 150 grams only. For less sugar, instead of 200 grams of white sugar, use 150 grams of brown sugar. For less cholesterol, instead of 4 eggs, use only 3 eggs. For less fat from milk, instead of using full cream milk, omit or do not use milk in the recipe. To obtain more dietary fiber, add 150 grams carrot grated finely. So, here are the ingredients for the modified recipe, now carrot and vanilla cupcakes. The modified recipe will now consist of the following ingredients: 150 grams of soft margarine, 150 grams of brown sugar, 3 eggs, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 150 grams of grated carrot. So here are the delicious carrot and vanilla cupcakes. At the end of this video, you have learned how to modify a recipe in order to reduce fat, reduce sugar, reduce cholesterol, and increase dietary fiber. These changes have enabled you to apply the dietary guidelines and hence produce a healthier version of cupcakes. Well, now that you know how to modify a recipe to make it healthier, you can give it a try. Thank you for your attention.